What's up, outdoor explorers and culinary enthusiasts? Welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're cutting through the noise to find the absolute heart of your backcountry kitchen, the perfect portable stove. Whether you're a minimalist thru-hiker, a dedicated hunting stove user, or a car camping connoisseur, your cooking system can make or break an adventure. We're diving deep into my top 5 portable stove systems. Find out this top item's features, spec, performance, and what truly sets them apart. Get ready for crucial backpacking stove reviews, insights into lightweight backpacking stove innovations, and how to choose the best camping cooking system for your unique journey. Let's get straight to it. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and the purchase link with the best deal on Amazon in the description below. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, the Hikrew portable gas-powered stovetop and cooking system stands out as a remarkably versatile compact camping cooktop. It features a 0.8-liter anodized aluminum pot with an insulating neoprene sleeve for rapid boiling and heat retention. It's real genius. A 2-in-1 design that lets you use the included pot or, uniquely, your own pans on its universal adapter, transforming it into a flexible tabletop camping stove perfect for any picnic stove scenario. Customers love its efficiency, boasting up to 30% faster boil times and reliable performance even in moderate wind, making it an affordable camping stove. While some users noted occasional flameouts, its adaptability as a gas-powered stove for diverse cookware makes it a strong contender for any outdoor cooking burner. At number 4, we have the enhanced Tyros 17 PCS Camping Cookware Kit, now including a powerful 3500W folding portable stove. This isn't just a portable cooking set, it's a comprehensive camping cookware kit for extensive trips. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade hard anodized aluminum, it's non-toxic, lightweight, and durable. The kit packs a pot, pan, kettle, stainless steel cups, and full cutlery, all designed to nest compactly for easy backpack transport. Customers consistently praise its incredible value and functionality, calling it a complete camp kitchen set that's surprisingly lightweight at under 3 pounds. This reliable portable cooking gear solution is ideal for 2 to 4 people, perfect for hiking, backpacking, and kayak camping, ensuring a complete outdoor cooking burner experience. Sliding into our number 3 spot, we celebrate the incredible value and versatility of Odelin's camping cookware kits, a brand known for accessible yet effective outdoor cooking solutions. These kits, available in 16-piece, 9-piece, and 6-piece options, all feature lightweight, non-toxic anodized aluminum pots with anti-heat handles and a foldable mini stove. The 16-piece kit is the most comprehensive, ideal for groups, packing multiple pots, pans, mugs, and cutlery. The 9-piece kit offers a solid, streamlined option, perfect for couples. And the 6-piece kit shines as an ultralight mini hiking stove solution, designed to fit even a gas tank inside its compact form. Customers consistently praise their exceptional value, compact and lightweight design, and quick heating, making them popular choices for a budget camping stove or survival cooking gear. While some users have noted occasional durability concerns with the included mini stoves over time, for an affordable camping stove system that gets you cooking quickly across various adventures, Odelin offers tailored solutions, whether you need a full portable cooking set or a minimalist hiking stove set. We're constantly exploring the best outdoor gear to fuel your adventures, so if you don't want to miss our next deep dive, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Ascending to our number 2 spot, we have the Fire Maple Fixed Star 1 Backpacking and Camping Stove System, a serious contender for best backpacking stove system. This integrated jet burner set pairs a 1-liter cook pot directly with the stove, utilizing advanced heat exchange technology to slash boil times by up to 30% and minimize wind impact. It features a built-in piezoelectric igniter for instant starts, and at just 18 ounces, it's a true lightweight backpacking stove. Everything nests perfectly inside the pot, including space for a 100G fuel canister. Customers rave about its efficiency, comparing it favorably to much pricier rivals for rapid boiling water, making it an excellent budget camping stove alternative. And now, for our number 1 pick, the undisputed champion of ultralight, hyper-efficient outdoor cooking, the Jetboil Stash ultralight camping and backpacking stove cooking system. If you demand the absolute lightest, fastest, and most compact gear for thru-hiking or alpine expeditions, the Stash is unparalleled. Weighing an astonishing 7.1 ounces, 40% lighter than Jetboil's previous lightest, it features a standalone titanium burner and Jetboil's iconic 0.8-liter flux ring cookpot. This flux ring technology delivers an insane 2.5-minute boil time for 2 cups of water while sipping fuel. The entire system, including burner, stabilizer, and space for a 100G fuel canister, nests perfectly inside the pot, making it the quintessential best compact stove and best lightweight stove. Users praise its blistering speed and unmatched packability, solidifying its reputation as the best backpacking stove system and best hiking stove. While it's a premium investment and primarily designed for boiling, without a built-in igniter, its elite performance makes it the most popular portable stove for serious adventurers. There you have it, my breakdown of the top 5 portable stove systems that are truly redefining outdoor cooking. From the groundbreaking ultralight Jetboil Stash to the versatile Hikrew, the comprehensive Tyros, the efficient Fire Maple Fixed Star 1, and the value-packed Odelin options, there's a perfect match for every adventure. Choosing the best camping stove or best trekking stove comes down to your unique needs, budget, and the culinary experiences you seek. Whether you need a mini propane stove or a robust flat-top camping stove, the right gear will elevate your journey. If this review helped you find your next outdoor cooking companion, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow adventurers, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Ring that notification bell too, so you're always updated on our next exciting gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy trails!